Hi scholars! It's Ms. Rosa, and I'm so excited you're here today. Before we begin our reading lesson, I want to teach you something that makes the English language fun, creative, and sometimes a little silly. Today, we're learning about idioms. So, what is an idiom? An idiom is a phrase that doesn't mean exactly what the words say. It has a special meaning that we understand through everyday use. For example, it's raining cats and dogs. That doesn't mean animals are falling from the sky, it just means it's raining very hard. Or, I have butterflies in my stomach. You don't really have butterflies inside you, it means you feel nervous. Idioms make reading more interesting because they help us imagine things and understand characters' feelings in fun ways. Good readers learn to look at the clues around the idiom to figure out what the phrase really means. Idioms are everywhere, in stories, in conversations, and even in movies and songs. Now, I want you to watch a short video all about idioms. Are you ready, my clever readers? Let's get started.
Hi readers! Today we're learning something super fun in reading idioms. Idioms are phrases that don't mean exactly what the words say. They have a special meaning. The definition of idiom is a phrase with a meaning you can't understand just by the words. In other words, an idiom is a phrase that means something different from its literal words. For example, if I say, "It's raining cats and dogs," I don't mean animals are falling from the sky. I mean, it's raining really hard. Wouldn't it be silly if it was really raining cats and dogs? Idioms make reading fun, colorful, and full of expression. Let's look at some examples. Maria told a funny joke to break the ice. Break the ice doesn't mean smashing a block of ice. It means doing something to make people feel comfortable. How crazy would it be if you broke a block of ice with people inside? Silly. Right. Let's try another idiom. The math test was a piece of cake. A piece of cake means something is very easy, not an actual dessert. How silly would it be if your math test was an actual cake? Okay, let's try one more. Don't spill the beans about the surprise. Spill the beans means to tell a secret. Not dropping real beans everywhere. Idioms add flavor to our stories. Let's see how to find them. Look for phrases that don't make sense literally. Think about what's happening in the story. Ask, what is the character really trying to say? These clues help you figure out what an idiom really means. Let's try some more examples. If someone says, "hit the books," they mean study hard, not books flying and hitting someone, haha. Another one is feeling under the weather, which means feeling sick. It doesn't mean you are actually under the weather like a rain cloud. Idioms are everywhere in stories and conversations. They make language more interesting and fun. So keep an eye out for these colorful phrases. Idioms can be tricky, but they're also super fun. The more you read, the more you'll discover. So, keep exploring the world of idioms. You'll find them in books, movies, and even songs. They're like hidden treasures waiting to be found. Now you know that idioms have special meanings and make reading more fun. Keep practicing and exploring the wonderful world of language. Miss Rosa is so proud of you. Remember, idioms make reading more fun and colorful. Keep an eye out for them in your favorite books. You'll become idiom experts in no time. Keep reading and have fun with idioms.
Great job today, readers. Keep practicing, keep thinking, and keep being amazing readers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reading adventures. See you next time.